I'm sensing that there could be a person who wronged you in the past, so we have the rest in reverse. We also have balance in either way. We also got the lovers. And we also have this one. Okay, so dalawang magkasunod. Okay, na sign ng lovers. Alright? So, ibig sabihin lang nun, I feel na merong ex that is imbalance. Ito yung kakonekta mo dati. Pero sa ngayon, some of you do have a person already. If that's not the case, ibig sabihin lang nun, siguro yung ex mo meron, hindi ikaw. So, you have the oops. In either way, we have the 10. In either way, we also have karma. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, kung sino man yung ex mo dati na may ginawang kalokohan sa'yo, nararanasan niya ngayon is imbalance. Karma is happening to this person, as you can see. Some of you, if ever you do something good, then I feel like you will do have a person na hindi kagaya ng ex mo noon. Kasi with the rest in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun, itong taon na to, hindi siya mapakali. Okay? Wala siyang peace of mind yung ex mo. So, we have the chase in either way. I feel na nangihingi siya ng tulong. So, can be this person is eyeing you as a secret weapon para, mag-push forward yung kanyang buhay. So, we have this one in reverse. We also have this one in either way. I kinda like feel whomever this is, siguro tinawanan ka niya dati or binuli ka niya. To be honest with you, basta may nagawa siyang masakit sa'yo at ngayon, siya yung nagkakaroon ng realization, natauhan siya na nagkamali siya. Kasi ngayon, feeling ko parang ayaw mo na kay ex. Okay, ayaw mo na siyang balikan. Kasi siguro yung ba sa inyo meron na kayong ibang mahal or pwede rin kung magkarelasyon ka man, ayaw mo yung ex mo. Okay? And if ever they do have a person as of this time, isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys, mawawala yung kanilang connection. Parte yun ng karma dahil sa imbalance. Okay, maybe their person wants someone na balance with regards sa career, sa buhay, but yet, aalis yung kanilang partner kapag nalaman na, hindi stable yung kanilang pamumuhay. And I kinda like feel anger energy, so maybe this person is definitely upset sa kanyang buhay and could be upset din siya sa Panginoon. But yet, he or she needs to realize that these things is happening kasi karma rin niya yan. And anyway, that's it guys for today's reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and God bless all of you.